Hi and welcome to another yet video. It's me, your favorite content creator, Huntsman, and you're welcome to another yet photo. Today, Amsterdam is incredibly busy. It's so much happening here, and it's because today is the night of the Halloween, the most creepiest, the most spookiest night of the year. And I decided it would be really cool to go out and capture some really nice picture of this beautiful place, because here's a lot of people. For example, behind me there's a couple who dressed in a really nice Halloween outfit, and I'm 100% sure that we're gonna capture some really nice pictures here. And without further ado, let's jump straight into the POV street photography. Let's go! Sorry bro, can I take a picture of you? Can I take a picture of you?
If you like.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be in it?
Sorry?
Are you gonna be in it?
Yeah, I mean, like, you look amazing, dude. Alright, let's go. Yo, that's freaking awesome, dude. Thanks. I'm sorry. Do you mind if I take a portrait of you? I really like your... Yeah, that's so fucking awesome the way you do your makeup. Yeah? Can I? Dope. Definitely like it. Yo, that's so creepy. Nice. Look at that, come on. That's so nice. You look so angry here.
Yeah.
You want? I can send it to you. Yeah? Do you have Instagram or something?
Yeah, sure.
You can add me or just I can send you. Oh, that's outfit. No, that's just drunk person. Can I take a picture? I really like your outfit. You don't mind? If you're gonna like, I'm gonna send it to you. I think you look super epic, guys. Yeah, that's super. It's so badass. Look at you guys. More light, and here we go. Bam! That's so dope. Look at you. That's so epic, girls. Nice. I love the lights. You wanna see? You definitely want them. Come on. Come on.
No, I like it.
That one's so epic. Yeah, man.
You can send me these pictures.
Yeah, sure, of course.
WhatsApp, boys.
Yeah, bunny. Yeah, you know how pose. 1 second, hold on. Yeah, that was cool. Look at you, that's so epic. Nice. Got this one. Oh, can I take one of you if you don't mind? Yeah? Yeah, thanks. I mean, come on, honestly, I can walk here the whole night. It's so cool. That's it, rock me. Go. Yes. Am I? Yeah. That's so epic, so clean. Love it. Nice. Pretty much hard to capture. Come on. Fuck. Such a shot. Oh my god. Switch. Boom. Oh, look at that. It's so right. It's funny. Sorry, can I take a picture of you?
You wanna take a picture of me?
Yeah, I like your outfit. You look gorgeous. No, just look somewhere else, man. Can you just put your hand once again, how you called it? And look there, man. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Look at me. Yeah. Dude, you're so dope. Look at you. Hey ladies, sorry, do you mind if I'll take a picture of you? I'm just taking a street photography here in Amsterdam.
This is the one that was like...
Huh?
You took a picture of her,
Yeah.
right? Let's go.
Don't you do mine? It would be cool. I think it would be cool. Look at me. One more. I come on, it's so cool. Look at you. You look amazing here. What is that? Hot. Alright guys, so I guess this is it and we're done for tonight. It was fun, it was super cool, the city was incredible, the people was super nice, and I hope you really enjoyed it. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for this channel, and don't forget to check out my preset. The link is somewhere down below. There is a really nice discount right now, and with that being said, I wish you an amazing evening. Russell Huntsman, bye.